Hello everyone, welcome back to premium course Steel Warehouse Design BSc. We continue to the next step, how to check and how to select the analysis type. Analyze, click on analyze text and click on the setting. Yeah, and first order nonlinear second order, you can change the information. Okay, come back, click on home, click on setting and click on analysis setting. You can check setting in here. Okay, now let me come back to design and setting. This is the default analysis kept in Tekla Structural Designer. The first order elastic analysis will be performed in Tekla Structural Designer. If you want to use other analysis type, example second order p-data analysis using amplify force method, or you can use a second order analysis suitable for all type of speeding when alpha CR, alpha critical greater than 2.0. This is the different type of analysis. So before we use other analysis type, you first must select first order analysis. This is very important. I just inform you, must run first order analysis. You can run the second order p-data analysis, but before you know which method you should use, you first to perform the first order. This is very important. We run the first order analysis, then we check alpha critical. If alpha critical greater or is equal than 10, so this structure is we consider it as the break frame. And when the structure after run analysis alpha CO is less than 10, so this structure is space frame. In the case we must to use different method, the second order or use the second order analysis. This is how very important the analysis setting in the software. I inform you again. Start from first order analysis and check alpha critical later. After check alpha critical, come back and run the relevant analysis depend on alpha critical. Okay, now come back, check to general. Okay, it's okay. Analysis setting is okay. Now click on OK. Save it. Thank you for your watching. We will continue to analysis and design for the next step.